What's up? What's up? What's up, honey? It's your girl, Miss G. She's back. And she forgot to turn the fan on. With another video. Today is the day that the Lord has made. We will be glad and rejoice in it, honey. And it's been a good day. I hope you guys had a good day as well. I thank God for Jesus for today. It's beautiful outside here. Sun is beaming again in the sunroof, honey. It's beaming a lot. I only got no lights on. And can y'all see that glare? Look at that glare. See there? Look. Oh, what can I do to make sure that y'all can see that it's the sun? I don't know. See my hand? That's what I can do. I don't want to close the blind. I probably should have, though. But I didn't realize it was going to be this much sun on my plate like it was the other day. The other day it was just like this, so I had got up and stopped and closed the blind up. Today, because I did it yesterday and I left the blinds open with no lights and it was perfect. But today is no lights and it's on and blasting. And can I just tell you, it's almost 6 o'clock. I waited today until Lewis actually got home before I started because I make tacos. Because today is Tuesday, honey. So Stan and Ronson had a taco salad already. I have a taco salad. I made Lewis actual tacos. That looks good. So I have romaine lettuce. I have little bell pepper, red onions, tomatoes, cucumbers. Then I put my meat, taco meat. I have 3 different meats on it. I have ground beef and 2 kinds of sausages. And then I put a little cheese on the top and, you know, a little sour cream, honey, y'all. Taco. Got my little jalapenos on both sides. Got me some cucumbers, tomatoes. I have me some, lately I've been getting my, avocados. And for some reason, they don't get ripe like they used to. They would get half of it get ripe and then half of it get overripe. So when I was at the Wally World Walmart, they had avocado that's cut up and it was no GMOs and organic. So I bought 2 containers. And child, it's good, honey. I ain't gonna tell no lie. I did my thumbnail with it, but I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, look at that. Okay, so the light is glaring on it a little bit. Okay, there it is, better. Ain't she pretty? Isn't she lovely? Yes, she is. Just like that song. Isn't she lovely? Yes, honey. And I have me some, so it's not melon. Is it melon? No, melon is the white one. And the yellow one is, I just said it yesterday, and it's on the tip of my tongue. Ugh. Oh, y'all gotta pray for me. Brain freezes like crazy. So it's not melon because it's melon and it's cantaloupe. Pray. Now, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell so you can get alert every time this girl drop a video. And if you're visiting a girl again, I thank God for Jesus for you. I thank you for your time, for the visit, allowing me in your space. That's a privilege. Can't take none of that for granted, honey child. And y'all know those things I like. And y'all been doing good at it. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. And a comment. Y'all doing excellent at that too. I ain't got no complaints, honey child, but you know, we have to say it. And yeah, she want to get right into it because y'all know I love a taco salad now. So I'm going to try and do 5 days of a salad. Now, y'all know my videos ain't going to drop 5 days in a row of salad. But yesterday we had a Caesar salad, which you know I love a Caesar. That's my favorite one. That's the one I can eat every day, a Caesar salad. I can eat a taco salad too, I think, every day too. But Caesar, definitely every day. First bite, here we go. Oh, I got my garlic here, y'all. I got my garlic. Little heat. Avocado, honey. garlic. Mmm, 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 mmm. I need it good. Mm-hmm. No heat. I put a lot of heat. That's a big bite. Mmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. This is so good. Mmm. 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 One of the sauces is actually a tofu. It's you get it from Trader Joe's. It's a Cerrito tofu. It's tofu, honey child, but it's so good in here. I ain't lying. Here we go. Need some heat. I could use a little bit more sour cream though. Mmm, 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 mmm. That is so good. Wow, that's so good. I hope y'all gonna have a good dinner. I hope y'all gonna enjoy y'all whole meal like me. Honey, this is heaven. That's why I like to shoot before he come home, because that's the school caller. They call every day. Which I do like to give you an update. I like down here, child, if your kid misses school day, they telling you, honey. Even if they miss a class. They'll call and tell you exactly which period your son didn't show up for. Mm-hmm. Can't play hooky here. They tell on you. One empty. My little stopper. I dropped one and I can't find it. I put my glasses on and everything. I look up underneath this here little table and God knows where he went. But he fell. He don't want to be found. And I like him because he came in, I don't know what Stan had ordered that time. And they came in, but they small and round. I love them. That you can put up underneath those little things here. This taco meat is so good. Mm-hmm. How many garlic I have left? Okay, I'll eat one more. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 I bit my lip. Tomato. I'm gonna relax. I don't have to wash your clothes today. The daycare kids are gone. I was able to vacuum the daycare room before Louis got home. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, we saw a good movie last night. It was called Monster. On Netflix. That movie was so good. I really would like my sons to see it. Normally if I tell them to look at a movie, they will. I definitely want them to see it. It was really good. Really, really good. Really. Mm-hmm. So, if you like movies, and you want to see a good one, Monster is called. It's called Monster. Jennifer Hudson plays in it as the mama. Mm-hmm. She is the mommy. I really don't even know why she's not in more movies. Every movie I've saw Jennifer Hudson in, she's been really, really good. Even in Aretha Franklin, oh my God. She plays Aretha Franklin. Yes, she does. Very well. That's another one you should see. Yeah. Y'all see how good I did? Mm-hmm. She cleared this plate good. Mm-hmm. Last bite. Mmm. That was good. Mmm. 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 I hope your dinner gonna be as good as mine. I promise you. Thank God for Jesus for this dinner. That He gave it to me. Mm-hmm. And allowed me to enjoy it so well too. That's the main thing. Gotta be good. Mm-hmm. But thank God for that. But guys, ooh, I gotta be sorry. Sorry. Excuse me. Woo, thank God for Jesus for that. Excuse me. Y'all see I got y'all some flowers. I told y'all about my little vase Okay, so I might have to switch back to a little taller one. I can't figure out nothing. I have to figure out something. I can put them on these, but I'm so afraid it might fall and break, and this is crystal. I don't want to break it. But I do have them for you guys. You can barely see them when they were here. Maybe, because then I won't hit them, I think, if they're right there. If I put it on here, I'm not likely to hit it too high. I don't want it to break. Yeah, I ain't gonna tell no lie. I don't want it to break. That's better, I think. What do y'all think? Nah. I don't know. Oh! Easy fix. Alright, I gotta go. It's way past, but y'all know exactly what time it is up in here. It's time to turn the lights out, boo. Deuces. Peace. This girl is